Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Today we're making a super tasty watermelon feta salad. It's all about that refreshing taste you crave on a hot day. We've got juicy watermelon, creamy feta, and fresh mint. This salad packs a punch of flavor while being healthy. Let's dig in and enjoy this delicious treat. Now for the ingredients. Fresh, juicy watermelon, creamy feta cheese, a handful of fresh mint leaves, rich olive oil, tangy balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Right? Let's move on to the prep work, shall we? Cut the watermelon. Start by slicing off both ends, then stand it upright and cut off the rind. Once peeled, slice the fruit into rounds, then into strips, and finally into cubes. Here are some tips for selecting a ripe watermelon. Look for a uniform shape, a creamy yellow spot where it rested on the ground, and a deep hollow sound when tapped. Avoid watermelons with soft spots or inconsistent coloring. Prepare the feta. Crumble the feta cheese into bite-sized pieces. Using high-quality feta is key. It enhances the salad's flavor with its rich, tangy taste and creamy texture. Poor quality feta won't give you the same depth of flavor. Chop the mint. Start by thoroughly washing the mint leaves under cold water to remove any dirt. Pat them dry with a paper towel. Then, stack a few leaves together, roll them up, and chop finely. Mint adds a fresh, vibrant burst of flavor to the salad, making each bite refreshing and aromatic. Mixing the salad. Combine juicy watermelon chunks, crumbly feta, and fresh mint leaves in a large bowl. Generously drizzle olive oil and balsamic vinegar over the colorful mixture. Season well with salt and pepper to taste. Here are some serving suggestions. Showcase the salad in colorful bowls or on a large, eye-catching platter. Serve it with grilled meats like chicken or steak for a hearty meal. Alternatively, offer it as a refreshing side dish at picnics, barbecues, or any casual gathering. This salad's vibrant colors and fresh flavors will make it a hit anywhere.